Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 147. If we start with this box, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got 5 and 8 here, so this is our 6. 8 here, so 5, 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 2, 2 and 5 here. That means this is our 1, 2, 5. For this row, we're only missing a 7. For this row, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got a 2 here. So 8, 2. For this column, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this column, we're missing 2, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 here and a 7 here, so this is our 2. I don't see any other help. So 6, 7, 6, 7. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 9. 2 and 9 here means this is our 4. That 2 makes this our 9, 2. For this box now, we're missing a 7. For this column, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got 2 and 9 here, so this is our 1, 2 here, so 9, 2. For this row now, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got 3 and 6 here, so this is our 9. Don't see any other help. So 3, 6, 3, 6. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 7. We've got 1 and 4 here, so this is our 7. 1 here, so 4, 1. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 8. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. That 6 makes this our 3, 6. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so we're missing a 9. For this box, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 1. For this top row now, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 6, 7, 6. And to finish out this box, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5 and 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.